Hey guys, this is Sheng. Thank you for waiting with me all afternoon to hear the results of the Hmong Idol competition. I apologize in advance, my notifications are blowing up my Facebook account. I really do apologize for keeping you all waiting, but it's been a long afternoon and I had so much fun that, I couldn't bring myself to update you guys immediately. But I just want to say first that every competition you go to, it's not about who wins, it's just about the people you meet and what you're doing, that you're passionate about. That's all that matters. Now, I just want to announce that I did not win first, second, or third place. But at the same time, I am not sad about it at all because I feel like this has opened many more doors for me. Just more chances for me to practice singing, do something I'm passionate about. And I'm hoping that in the near future I will be able to join more competitions and sing at New Year's. Now I just want to congratulate Rose Mo for getting first place. You did an amazing job. I'm very proud of you. You deserved it. And to King Chu Mo for receiving second place. You also did an amazing job. You have very great vibrato and you are very smooth when you sing. So, I think you really deserve second place. For the girl who got third place, I'm sorry, I can't even really pronounce your name, so I'm not even gonna try, but you also deserved it as well. You had great stage presence. So again, I do apologize in advance for making you guys all wait all afternoon just to find out that I didn't win, but again, I'm not very upset by it, so you guys shouldn't be either. This is just, practice for me, and I'm hoping that it'll take me further along down this road. Please wait. I will have videos from Hmong Idol uploaded later tonight. Thank you.